What is up, guys? This is Blind Joke Studios here with some more Happy Wheels. Woo! This is part 4, and we are about to freaking get this on. Gonna be a good time. Gonna be a good 10 minutes before I have to pause it again. Come on, low levels, soccer. Low levels. Derp, derp. There we go. Harpoon and arrow run. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Well, well, oh, sir, 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 first frickin' what? Wait, first, blah, blah, blah. Come on, come on, come on, I got it. Oh, my head. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. God dang it. God dang it. Go. Oh, I did it. Yeah. Ride like a boss. By Spectina. Zero. Save your replay. Ah. Ride it. Right. Oh, I just broke it. I just broke it. I broke it. I sort of forgot how to. Oh. Oh, there we go. I figured out how to do it now. Ah! Ah! Ride it with no arms! Woo! I'm too fat. I'm too fat. Oh God! There goes my head. Woo! I'm skinny enough. Ride it. Oh God. Well, Poke jump huge. Mikko jump. Diamond level. Play race over your pocket. Man for mine. Good day. Bomb. Bro fast. Wait, what is this? I don't say that. Oh, Pogo course. Maybe I should be the Pogo person. Maybe. Slight suspicion. Where the boss? Pogo. Secret course. Wee. I don't want to do the secret course, dude. I don't want to. Now, who says that 1D is better than JB? I mean, I don't know. Whew. Whew. Son of a barrel. Interesting. Yeah. I'm very interested. Whew. Use the mouth. Uh, uh, uh. Use the mouth. Use the mouth. Uh, uh. Gotta. Uh, 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 uh. Go. Hump it. Hump it. Hump it. Hump it. Sir. Hump it. Sir. Hump it. There you go. Yeah. I got Epic King of Epicness and frickin' PewDiePie at the same time. Let's see if you know the answer to this question. What? Oh! I did it! Finish here with your vendor for Toby PewDiePie Mark 20122. So, when you were oh my god! I win! Yay! So, pretty much you guys know about me changing my name from Blonde Joke Studios to Blonde Joke Gaming. Because pretty much all we do is game now. We don't even do this crap about Studios. Really? But good news, Shane is coming in 2 weeks. So we are going to make some videos and upload some that frickin' stuff. And that's gonna be pretty awesome. So look forward to that. Little studios coming back, but then we're right on top of gaming again. So if you guys are real like Xbox Call of Duty gamers, you know about like MLG and all that crap. Like Complexity, they won Anaheim. Yeah, Complexity. Hear about FaZe? Hear what happened to FaZe? Yeah. Hear this, you guys. FaZe Temper, the leader of FaZe, he fired every 3 of the 4 League Play members just because they got 5th place. That's pretty good if you ask me. I mean, 5th place, that's freaking good. But I guess it's not really good enough for him. Okay, I can get that. No. Just no. But good luck. Thank you. Wee! Oh, get there. Get there. Well, I don't think that this is possible. Let's go this way. Wee. Dodge it. Dodge it. Let go. My butt. It got my butt. Oh, there's an arrow in my butt! Ah! Arrow in my butt. Let go. Oh. Let go. I'm alive. No, 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 no. Pogo. Grab Pogo. Grab the Pogo. Grab the Pogo. Grab it. Grab it. Wee! And a 1, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Sorry guys, just gotta do my daily crunches. Well, that didn't work. Oh my god. Oh, I like that position. Oh. Woo. I killed myself there. I killed myself. It. No. Oh, you can't see this. Still alive. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Fall on the talking dog. No, stop pumping the arrow, dude. Fall on it. Fall on the coin. Fall. Go. Stop. No. You have an arrow shooter up your butt. God dang it. God dang it. God dang it. Minecraft quiz. End on this. Segway guy. Hey, enjoy the tea. How many mobs did it total in Minecraft? This is death right here. Yay! Let's say this. Whee! Well, I know which one it is now. Sir, what are you talking about? You say it's for Toby. What do you mean? It's for me. Which achievement do you get when you craft a wooden sword? Time to strike. Sir? How do you craft a jukebox? No, you don't need 4 diamonds. Yeah. No. Do you like this quiz so far? It's gonna be no. It sucks balls. Oh. Huh. You die. None! Woohoo! Segway picked Cube World. Segway picked. Woo! Lift those feet. And I picked Deadpool. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, whatever. You know, Blonjo Game instead of Blonjo Studios. It's awesome. Yes. So, whatever you want, just please don't dislike. Please like Blonjo Studios. Thanks for watching.